The assistive technology tools that I selected for my matrix were specific for my setting as an SDC teacher. The curriculum tasks addressed were reading, writing, communication, math, social studies, and science. The design strategies were consistent throughout, which was universal design for learning, universal access, and most importantly, I believe, is the SET framework. It's important to consider the student, the environment, and the task before selecting the tool, which is why this process was difficult for me because I wanted to have all these things down and understood before I was picking tools. But for the purpose of the assignment, I selected various tools based on ones that I thought would be great for my students. The hardware is similar for each of the different tasks. Computer, Microsoft Office programs, interactive whiteboard, document camera, and iPad, which would all be useful assistive technology for reading, writing, math, social studies, or science. The tools and software for reading and writing that I selected were specific to the needs of my students. One that is very important would be Open Dyslexic because I have a student with dyslexia. That is a Chrome extension. Another would be an adaptive keyboard for a student who is struggling with typing. The tools and software for communication that are selected are specific for a student who has mild communication skills, and just it would be so beneficial for him to be able to show me a card on his picture communication board to signal that he needs to use the restroom or that he needs a break, things like that. And for math, one that was beneficial to all my students would be the 14 manipulative bundle for my student who is for multiple students who are visual learners. For science and social studies, my students currently mainstream for both of these subjects, so I didn't pick a vast majority of tools for these two academic tasks. However, I did put in assistive technology for the reading and writing portion that happens within these two subjects while my students are mainstreaming out. Overall, this was an exciting, interesting process, and I look forward to using these tools in my classroom.